We know you are always on the lookout for the most suitable products to satisfy your custom requirements. That's why we at TechBee have come up with this list specifically made for you. Whether you want to splurge all of your money or simply want an affordable option, we have the right choice for you. Oh, and don't forget to look at the description below to see updated prices and offers that you might get. Let's get started.
You could survive with just a regular set of speakers. You don't, strictly speaking, need a sub. But you can't believe the difference once you have one. It's not just the boost from the low end that comes with great quality. Overall, it's the richness of the sound.
Starting off our list, we have a fantastic model you can never go wrong with.
SVS SB16 Ultra. You could add powerful bass to nearly any home installation with the SVS SB16 Ultra. It comes with a 16-inch front-firing woofer with 1500 watts of RMS power and 5000 watts of peak power for ground-shaking performance anywhere. With a frequency response of 16 to 460 Hz, this guy is equipped to handle virtually all types of listening material. It can be controlled wirelessly by the included IR remote, or the front panel display, or an iOS and Android-compatible smartphone by Bluetooth. The app controls all DSP functions and the store custom presets. For more convenience, the two-way feedback shows updates in real time on both the app and subwoofer interface. Bluetooth connectivity can make adjustments for even the subwoofer when it's not in sight. It's built with double-thick MDF front baffle with internal bracing for supporting the drive unit and ensuring an acoustic environment. The reinforced interior design can help eliminate coloration or resonance from the cabinet, even with the deepest low frequencies are played at reference sound pressure levels.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comments section below.
Definitive Technology Pro Sub 1000. This is a compact, high-quality powered subwoofer that could be used in the home theater or music speaker system. It's got a 10-inch woofer that outputs up to 300 watts of RMS power and adds low bass rumble for nearly any listening environment. The woofer is pressure coupled to a 10-inch passive radiator and enhances bass further with a frequency response of 18 to 150 Hz. The Pro Sub 1000 is equipped for handling virtually all types of material, like I said. With coupled infinite source power, the amplifiers and discrete MOSFET output devices make you enjoy enhanced bass in your music and in the movies. Components like mil-spec glass and capacitors can help deliver profound bass impact. The driver is made for superior transient response for producing robust low distortion bass, down to 18 Hz. The cabinet is made with joint construction for performance with no vibration.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
Acoustics QB12. It's Iron Fist Punch meets Velvet Grove Control in QB12 subwoofers. It's the one your audio set deserves. The first Q Acoustics woofer that features a 12-inch driver has the depth and drive that your home cinema craves, along with detail and elegance that the music needs. The big long throw driver is made with an ultra-low distortion with 220-watt Class D amplifiers for strong robust bass response. The subwoofer features a 50mm voice coil for minimal thermal compression. Equally at home, the concept range is 3000 I range of stereo and center speakers. It's made to be equally adept at reproducing big Hollywood action moments like that deep detailed feature of bass instruments. Further, it's sealed for great stiffness for the motor system at minimum influence for the deep bass sounds.
The next option is one of the best sounding models out there.
Sonos Sub. You could hear and feel the difference with this sub. It's a wireless subwoofer for deep bass from Sonos. It connects to the system by Wi-Fi or Ethernet and features a dual driver design for taking out unwanted vibrations and distortion. The two-force canceling driver at the center of the sub can reduce vibration and raffle for providing powerful bass without distortion. Sound ports are made to force the internal energy of the cabinet for preventing muffling to the sub's resin cabinet. This helps it resist vibration. The 6.2-inch slim design of the sub allows it to be situated upright or laid on the side as well. You can experience lower lows and higher highs when connecting your sub through the Sonos by Wi-Fi. Further, you could combine this with your Arc or the Beam for enjoying added bass on the TV show, movies, or video games. Expand your system with a pair of 1SL speakers as surround speakers for an even more immersive home theater experience.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
Bic America F12. This 12-inch front-firing F12 is a powered subwoofer and incorporates a high-current 475-watt peak amplifier designed by Bash Technology, combined with a 12-inch injection model long-throw woofer. Its patented BIC Venturi vent eliminates port noise, which is often heard from other subwoofers, especially when playing demanding music and videos. The F12 also features an adjustable crossover, volume control, automatic signal sensing, and high-level inputs with Dolby Pro Logic and digital inputs. Further, this bad boy has a 5-year warranty. The Theater Series carries the legacy of the first Formula series that was introduced in 1973. It offers an output capability of up to 116 dBs, while offering refinements that surpass all the predecessors.
If you're looking for a suitable model for smaller spaces, then you should undoubtedly check out this next one.
Echo Sub. This is a compatible device that could add rich bass to your experience. Echo Sub delivers down-firing 100-watt deep bass with a 6-inch woofer. When paired with the Echo Experience, you can feel the music as it fills the room. Just say, "Alexa, play music." It highlights this simple and elegant minimalistic design. And all you gotta do is just plug it in the wall. Open up the Alexa app on the smartphone and connect to your Echo Sub or device. It's that easy. You can rock anywhere with your music or cinema with profound bass, or in your home. Just let Alexa know what you want to play. You could also increase the bass. All you gotta do is say, "Alexa, increase the bass," and it'll be done right away.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
ELAC Debut 2.0 Sub 3030. This subwoofer features a 12-inch high-excursion dope paper woofer with 12-inch downward-facing passive radiator that delivers up to 500 watts of RMS power, or up to 1,000 of peak power, with a frequency response of 25 to 150 Hz. The Sub 3030 is equipped with handling varieties of listening material. Its Bash amplifier has a Class D amp with power supply modulation to track the input signal, supplying only the necessary voltage for the Class AB amp. The Sub 3030 incorporates an all-digital control system. Its horizontal center brace is designed to strengthen and stiffen the cabinet, which could help slow down unwanted vibrations that could discolor music or movie content. It can also reproduce low frequencies, without overhang or distortion. Further, the subwoofer can detect when audio signal is being sent to the amp and when the power is on. Also, for conserving energy, this woofer can power off after a long period of inactivity.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.